Gus Schmidt, and I'm back again with another trading video. So today I'm going to be trading 5 and 15-minute binary options using my trade command Quant engine here. The trade command Quant engine is a binary options trading engine. It recommends signals on the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. And what you're looking at here is the user interface, the dashboard, the trade command Quant engine. And to my left here, the trade command Quant engine has various assets available to trade. It trades Bitcoin as well as the 19 major and minor currency pairs on in the global forex markets, including Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, Euro, US dollar, Great British pound, Canadian dollar, and so forth here. So it has a total of 20 assets available to trade. What you're seeing here in the middle here is the live execution log, and this live execution log tells me the what's happening with the trade feed here. Uh, it retrieves the historical price data, the forex historical price data from the deriv web socket here, and it's giving me the health, the general health of the feed into the engine here. So everything is working correctly. The diagnostic here is setting 20 out of 20 assets fully synced, and it does a periodic higher time frame sync as well. To the right here is also a latency feature built in. The engine is running at 215 milliseconds currently. The latency feature tells me how quickly the historical price data, uh, the time it takes for the price data to reach the engine and analyze, do the proper AI analysis uh, on the price feed here, right? So it's very low latency. Uh, And so we want to make sure the data is coming in a relatively quick period of time here. I also have an audio alert feature here. You can turn it on and off here. So we keep it on here. The engine, you can turn the engine on and off here with this button here. There's also a test of the audio alert feature. And to the right here, what we're looking at is the pop-up alert here. In addition to the audio alerts, you receive pop-up alerts here. Currently, there's a Great British Pound Canadian dollar 5-minute put or short here. So what I have here also is I have my pocket option trading account set up with all my currency assets here at the top right. And what I'm going to be doing, the engine only trades real assets, not the OTCs or the synthetic assets. It also works on various other binary options trading platforms like Close Option, IQ Option, Deriv Broker, and several other binary trading platforms that are out there. As long as the platform has regular Forex currency assets to trade, this engine will work just as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is like I mentioned, this engine recommends 5 and 15-minute trades. Here's a 5-minute trade. It also periodically recommends 15-minute trades as well. So you want to make sure that your timer is set to, I have it currently set to 5 minutes because it generates primarily 5-minute trades. And so what we're going to do is look for a signal, select the appropriate asset, and take the trade. All right. Okay, so the trading engine just recommended a Great British Pound Aussie dollar short. So I just go to my assets here. I look for Great British Pound Aussie dollar here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a short, right? So Select the asset first, Great British Pound Aussie dollar. Make sure the trade timer is set to the correct time frame, 5 minutes, because the signal just generated the Great British Pound Aussie dollar 5 minutes short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video till about 30 seconds left in this 5 minute trade. Come back and we're going to check the results of this trade. Okay, so we have about 30 seconds left in this trade. The Great British Pound Aussie dollar short here that the signal, the quant engine signal generated. So let's wait for the results of this trade, the expiry. Pushing nicely downward. Okay, so that trade was in the money. The binary quant engine accurately predicted a short at this level. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next trade signal. Okay, so the quant engine just recommended a US dollar Japanese yen 5 minute short here. The signal came in at about 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm trading during the New York session here. So it also gives me the time of the signal here, 11 o'clock. This is in Eastern Standard Time. So I went ahead and I selected US dollar JPY from my assets list here to the left. Made sure that the quant engine, excuse me, the time frame was 5 minutes. Went ahead and took the short here at this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in this trade. Come back and check the results of this US dollar JPY short. Okay, so I'm back on this US dollar JPY 5 minute short here, waiting for the trade to expire in a few seconds here. So let's wait for the trade expiry. Took the trade at this level. The quant engine recommended a short. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and we're going to wait for another trade signal, come back and take a trade. Okay, so the quant engine just generated a US dollar Swiss franc 5 minute short. So let's go and look for our US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, here we go right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a 5 minute short. Okay, so it recommended a short at this level here, US dollar Swiss franc 5 minute short. All right, this is the signal right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade, come back and check the results of this trade. Okay, so we have a few seconds left in this trade, the US dollar Swiss franc short. It's a close trade, 4 seconds left. Okay, so that trade was in the money. There was a retracement upwards here, but then the price finally began to fall, and we caught that trade at the right time. Okay, so let me pause the video and wait for the next trade signal. So I just got a Euro Canadian dollar 5 minute buy trade here on the Trade Command Quant engine. So let's go to our Euro Canadian dollar. Okay, here it is, Euro Canadian dollar. Okay, let's go ahead and take a 5 minute buy trade. Okay, so I just took a 5 minute buy trade on the Euro Canadian dollar. So this is the signal here, 5 minute buy. So I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade. Come back and check the results of the trade. Okay, so I'm back on the trade here, the Euro Canadian dollar 5 minute buy trade So we're going to wait for the expiry here. It's close. Okay, so that trade was in the money. I'm going to end the trading session here. Today was not such a great day. There wasn't a lot of price action, but the quant engine was able to generate some wins for us. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment on the video if you have any questions about the bot that I've developed, coded, programmed. Share the video with your friends and your colleagues. Another thing, I've only been risking about 5% of my capital, and that's because we want to practice good money management. And you know, there will be some losses now and then, but we want to be able to protect our capital and grow our balance slowly but surely. So thank you for watching Gus Schmidt Trade Command Quant Engine, and I'll see you in the next video.